When you first enter Sculpt mode, the Shapes menu will open automatically and the Smear Shape tool will be equipped to your imp. The Smear Shape tool is great for sculpting organic structures, so we should probably pick an appropriate shape. Hold the secondary T button to open the Shapes menu, then select a shape with your primary imp. To resize the shape, hold the secondary Circle button. While holding the Circle button, tilt or twist your secondary controller in either direction to resize up or down. Release the Circle button to stop resizing. Now position your primary imp next to the platform, on one side of the gap. Hold down the primary T button and use your imp to smear shapes into the gap and create an organic structure. You can undo and redo using a gesture on your primary controller. Point or twist the primary controller to the left, then press its square button to undo. To redo, point or twist your primary controller to the right, then press its square button. Or you can undo and redo using the buttons in the Tools menu. Each time you press and hold the primary T button, you'll create a new edit within your sculpture. Bear in mind that all the edits you make are part of a single sculpture, even if they aren't connected. This means that in assembly mode, they'll behave like a single object. Why not try out different shapes to see what works best? Maybe try making something like a rock formation or a tree trunk. If the video ever gets in the way of your sculpting, remember, you can grab and move it with the primary T button. When you want to try out your sculpture, switch to play mode and walk Connie around on it. Once you're happy to move on, go back to edit mode, rewind time in the assembly menu, and proceed to the next step.